8-year-old Mia stood in front of the mirror. In her small room. Wearing a hand-me-down tutu. Her dream was to become a ballet dancer. Every evening after school, she would practice what she saw in online videos. Her feet were sore, and her knees ached. But she kept spinning, jumping, and stretching. Mia's family didn't have much money. Her mom worked as a cleaner, and her dad had lost his job months ago. Ballet classes were too expensive. Still, Mia practiced every day. Even on rainy days when the room was too cold, and she danced in socks full of holes. She whispered to herself, "One day, I'll dance on a real stage." One morning, Mia saw a colorful flyer outside her school. Free auditions. Roseville Children's Ballet Academy. Her heart leaped. "This is it!" she shouted, rushing home. She showed the flyer to her mom. "Please, can I try?" Her mom looked worried. "Mia, you've never had formal training." "But I've been practicing for 2 years. Please." Her mom finally nodded. "Okay. Give it your best." Mia smiled. "I will." On the day of the audition, Mia arrived at the academy. The room was filled with girls in shiny ballet outfits. Hair tied in perfect buns. Mia wore her faded tutu and sneakers. Her hair was in 2 uneven ponytails. The others stared. She overheard one girl whisper, "She looks like she's lost." Mia felt her heart sink. But then she remembered her dream. She stood tall. When it was her turn, she danced with all her heart. Her moves weren't perfect, but they were full of passion and determination. A week later, an envelope arrived. Mia tore it open. Her hands shook. "Congratulations. You have been selected for the beginners program." Mia screamed with joy. Her mom hugged her tight. "You did it." "I didn't give up." Mia whispered. Ballet classes were harder than Mia imagined. The teachers were strict. The routines were complex. Other students were far more experienced. She fell often. Made mistakes. And sometimes cried on the way home. One day, she tripped during a group routine. The others laughed. Mia ran to the restroom, her eyes full of tears. Maybe I don't belong here, she whispered to her reflection. But then she thought of how far she had come. From dancing alone in her room to being here. No. I'm not quitting. From that day, Mia practiced harder. She woke up early to stretch. Stayed late after class to repeat routines. Watched videos. Copied moves. And asked questions? Little by little, she improved. Her teachers began to notice. Mia, your posture has improved, one said. Another added. Good energy today. She still made mistakes. But now she learned from them. Each fall became a lesson. 6 months later, the Academy planned a winter showcase. Mia was chosen to dance in the group performance. It wasn't the lead, but it meant the world to her. Her mom made her a simple white dress. On stage, Mia was nervous. The lights were bright. The crowd was large. But when the music started, she remembered every move. She danced with joy. And when it ended, the audience clapped. Mia felt a tear roll down her cheek. It wasn't just applause. It was a reward for never giving up. After the show, Mia was excited for more. But one morning, while practicing a jump, she landed wrong and twisted her ankle. The doctor said, "You need rest for a few weeks. No dancing." Mia felt crushed. She cried silently that night. What if she forgot everything? What if the Academy gave her spot to someone else? But her mom said, "Resting is not quitting." Sometimes, perseverance means healing. Even with her ankle bandaged, Mia stayed close to ballet. She read ballet books, watched shows online. She even helped her classmates by giving them notes. When she returned to class, her movements were rusty, but her passion was stronger than ever. In time, she recovered fully and danced better than before. One evening, Mr. Choi, the academy's head director, visited the beginner class. He watched silently as they danced. After class, he walked up to Mia. "You're the girl who danced in sneakers." "Right." Mia blushed. "Yes, sir. I've been watching your progress. You work hard. Keep it up." She nodded, speechless. That night, she wrote in her journal, "Even when no one sees, keep trying. Someone always notices." Mia decided to tell her story. She recorded a short video on her mom's phone and uploaded it to her school website. Why I never gave up. She talked about dancing without shoes, facing laughter, getting injured, and still pushing on. The video reached hundreds of students. One classmate messaged her, "I was going to quit the science club. Your story changed my mind." Thank you. 1 year after her audition, Mia received a letter from the academy. She was promoted to the advanced beginner class. Mia danced around the room with joy. Her journey was far from over. But she had come so far. At the bottom of the letter was a quote. "Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard." 2 years after her first audition, Mia got the lead role in The Forest Spirit, a performance for young dancers across the city. Hundreds of people came. She stood backstage, heart pounding. Then she remembered dancing in socks on cold floors, crying in the restroom, and pushing through pain. She took a deep breath and smiled. The curtain rose. Mia danced like never before. The crowd rose for a standing ovation. Mia is now 13. She still dances every day. She says, "I didn't have fancy shoes or a perfect start. But I had a dream. And I had perseverance. That made all the difference." If her story inspired you, remember this. Never give up. No matter how slow your steps. Keep walking. One day, you'll dance on your own stage. Thanks for watching. If Mia's journey inspired you or helped you learn something new today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tales Fluency. Learn English through story. Here at Tales Fluency, we share stories to help you grow your English skills and your confidence. New stories every day. Stay with us. And keep believing in yourself. Vocabulary highlights. Perseverance. Continuing to try. Even when things are hard. Audition. A short performance to show your talent. Nervous. Feeling worried or scared. Mistake. Something that is done wrong. Determination. A strong will to achieve something. Recovery. The process of getting better after being sick or injured. Opportunity. A chance to do something great. Encouragement. Words or actions that give someone hope or confidence. Improvement. The act of becoming better. Achievement. Something you succeed in after hard work.